Lean process and Six Sigma. Transform your business efficiency. In today's fast-paced business world, efficiency and quality are key to success. Two powerful methodologies that help achieve these goals are Lean process and Six Sigma. Both are used to improve business operations, reduce waste, and enhance productivity. Let's dive deeper into how each of these methodologies works and how they complement each other. Lean process, eliminating waste. The Lean methodology focuses on eliminating waste in processes. Waste doesn't just mean physical resources, but also time, effort, and materials that don't add value. Lean encourages continuous improvement by focusing on value-adding activities. Key principles of Lean. And value. Define what the customer values and focus on that. 2. Value stream. Identify all the steps in a process and remove those that don't add value. 3. Flow. Ensure that products and services flow smoothly without interruptions. 4. Pull. Produce only what is needed when it's needed to avoid overproduction. 5. Perfection. Continuously improve processes to get closer to perfection. 6 Sigma reducing defect. 6 Sigma focuses on improving the quality of processes by identifying and removing defects. It uses data-driven techniques to measure and control process variation. The goal of Six Sigma is to reduce defects to a level where there are fewer than 3.4 defects per million opportunities. Key elements of Six Sigma. IPMA. Define, measure, analyze, improve, control. A structured approach for improving existing processes. 2. Data-driven. Decisions are based on data and statistics, not assumptions. 3. Root cause analysis. Focuses on identifying and solving the root cause of problems, not just symptoms. Combining Lean and Six Sigma. When Lean and Six Sigma are used together, they create a powerful approach to improving processes. Lean helps streamline processes, while Six Sigma ensures those processes are of the highest quality. The combination of both methodologies leads to faster, more efficient, and higher quality outcomes. Key takeaways. Using Lean process and Six Sigma together can drive significant improvements in your business operations. By eliminating waste and reducing defects, your organization can achieve higher levels of efficiency and quality.